Scotland, a land steeped in history, brimming with stunning landscapes and ancient fortresses. Whether you're drawn to its wild highlands, dramatic coastline, or iconic castles, Scotland is a destination that captivates every kind of traveler. In this video, we will explore the top 8 must-visit places in Scotland, each one more breathtaking than the last. From towering cliffs to serene lochs, these are the locations that showcase the very best of Scotland. Our journey begins on the Isle of Skye, a place known for its rugged beauty and mystical landscape. At the heart of the island lies the Quiraing, a series of towering cliffs and rolling hills created by a massive landslip. The landscape here is unlike anywhere else in the world, offering incredible panoramic views. Popular among photographers and nature lovers, the Quiraing is a must-see for its surreal beauty. The hike offers some of the best views on the island, and whether you are snapping photos or just taking in the scene, it's a spot that truly captures the spirit of Scotland. Next, we travel to the very northern tip of mainland Scotland, to Duncansby Head, located near the famous John O'Groats. Known for its rugged beauty, Duncansby is home to towering sea stacks that rise from the North Sea, creating an impressive and dramatic landscape. The cliffs here are alive with wildlife, especially in the summer. When puffins and other seabirds come to nest, it's one of the most breathtaking coastal spots in Scotland, offering spectacular views of the wild, untamed coastline. Located in the heart of the Scottish Highlands is the Glenfinnan Viaduct, a striking structure that's as famous for its beauty as it is for its appearance in the Harry Potter films. This railway viaduct, with its towering arches, crosses over the Glenfinnan Valley, offering some of the most picturesque views in the country. Whether you're a fan of Harry Potter or simply someone who appreciates beautiful engineering, the Glenfinnan Viaduct is a must-see. The surrounding sceneries of the valley, loch and mountains is equally captivating, making this a spot you won't soon forget. Now, let's head to the serene waters of Loch Lake, where the picturesque Castle Stalker awaits. This medieval fortress, perched on a tidal islet, is one of the most photographed castles in Scotland, and it's easy to see why. Its stunning setting, with the loch surrounding it and the mountains in the background, gives it a fairy tale quality. While the castle is best viewed from the shores of the loch, you can also take guided tours to get up close. Castle Stalker has a fascinating history and a dramatic backdrop that makes it a must-visit for anyone touring the Scottish Highlands. On the Isle of Skye, Neist is another location that should be on every traveler's list. This remote and rugged headland is home to the Neist Lighthouse, perched on the edge of towering cliffs that drop into Atlantic Ocean below. The walk to the lighthouse offers some of the best coastal views in Scotland. The landscape here is wild and dramatic, with the chance to spot dolphins, seals, and even whales in the water below. Neist is a perfect spot for anyone seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Our next stop is Dunnottar Castle in Aberdeenshire. This medieval fortress, perched on a rugged cliff, is one of the most iconic and atmospheric castles in Scotland. Its dramatic location, with the sea crashing below, adds to its sense of mystery and grandeur. History lovers will appreciate Dunnottar's significance. It played a key role in Scotland's War of Independence and was once the site of hiding of the crown jewels. Today, it stands as the hauntingly beautiful reminder of Scotland's medieval past. Next, we head to the far north to visit Castle Sinclair, Girnigoe in Caithness. This ancient fortress, once home to the Sinclair family, stands atop a cliff overlooking the wild coastline. The ruins of this castle have a haunting charm, with its remote location adding to its mystique. Castle Sinclair Girnigoe setting is nothing short of dramatic, and it's a fantastic place for history buffs and photographers alike. With its imposing cliffside position and stunning views of the North Sea, this castle is a true hidden gem. Our final stop takes us to the wild and remote landscape of Sutherland, where Ardvreck Castle stands proudly on the shores of Loch Assyne. This crumbling fortress, once the stronghold of MacLeod clan, is one of Scotland's most isolated castles. Ardvreck Castle may be in ruins, but its setting against the backdrop of the loch and the mountains is absolutely mesmerizing. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature and take in the beauty of the rugged Scottish Islands. So, there you have it, the top 8 must-visit places in Scotland. From the haunting beauty of ancient castles to the dramatic landscapes of the highlands and coastline. Scotland is a country that offers something for every kind of traveller. Whether you're planning adventure or simply dreaming of exploring the beauty of Scotland, these locations are sure to leave a lasting impression. Have you visited any of these spots? Or is there another hidden gem in Scotland that you think deserves to be in the list? Let us know in the comment below. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.